This is Scott Mason. Welcome to TradeAlyticsLive.com. Today we have three code reds that we launched. First one is ORLY. It's in the retail auto parts store sector. The second one is Facebook. Has a nice inverse head and shoulders pattern on a daily time frame. Looks really nice. And the third one is YELP. YELP. So let's talk about the first one here. You can see it's controlled. The downtrend is controlled by this descending trend line. And today we had a code red, a break above 85.20 as a buy trigger, looking for good volume to come in as a technical buy. Once it breaks above there on good volume, needs to close above there on good volume in order for us to hold it overnight for a swing momentum trade. Keeping a stop at 84.65. So far so good. We're in the money about 70 cents so far on this trade, and either we'll sell half of the position into the inflection point around 86.50 and then keep the other half to see if we can get it all the way to the target of $88. So that's the ultimate target zone for a momentum trade on ORLY. Let's look at Facebook. Facebook has a really nice head and shoulders pattern, a reverse head and shoulders pattern on a daily time frame. You can see this left shoulder, the sell-off here, a little bit of a capitulation bottom, and then we have a right shoulder. Technical buy on this is starting a position above 1920, adding more above 1940 to 1973. If it closes above this area here, which is that long-term resistance at 1973, then the target area is going to be right into around 22.50 to give us about a 10% return on Facebook, maybe holding it for a couple days to see if it actually gets all the way there. But it's really important to see where the stock closes today. Nice volume coming into, I think Zuckerberg's scheduled to speak here on CNBC in about 30 minutes, so I'm sure whatever he says is going to try to move the stock. It's already been beaten to heck, and looks like it wants to rebound here, and that resistance looks very good risk versus reward, and that's what we look for here at TradeAlytics Live, which, by the way, you can trade live with us every morning. Tune in at 9 a.m. for the morning game plan. We talk about the code red alerts. We also talk about the market blueprint and chart logics, the stocks that are on our radar. And then we get the market open for you at 9 o'clock and trade live with the plays that we have posted in there each and every day. All right, let's get to the last one here, which is YELP. YELP has a beautiful bull flag. What I mean by bull flag is you see how the stock went from $17.50 all the way up to $26, about an $8.50 move. And now it's flagging, consolidating. Some of the things to look for in a bull flag is volume patterns. If you look down here, you can see the volume pattern during the consolidation was a lot lighter than the volume patterns on the way up. So buy trigger on this stock for us, code red alert 2571 for trade up to the 28 plus area, keeping a stop at 2505. So as of right now, we are in the position. It's getting ready to break through the 26. It's already kind of coming out of the bull flag pattern, but it needs to close somewhere in the 26.50 to 27 range in order for us to hold it overnight. If not, then it's just going to become a quick intraday cash flow trade. Ultimate target is right up into that 28 area. So three stocks, three code reds, all of them are working so far. Tune in tomorrow for some more plays, and join us for a 2-week free trial and trade live with us and see what you think. Scott Mason, TradeAlyticsLive.com. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.